Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1939th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This video is coming at you on a Monday night for Trading Tuesday. That is May 14th, 2019. Remember, trading of any nature is extremely risky, like it was today. Market volatility is at an extreme. Do not trade options. Do not sell options. Do not trade futures without stops. Put those stops in first. You can lose way more than you had planned. So please know the risks. Never trade without stops. Let's move forward. So if we step back 24 hours, I came out Sunday night with the video and I said to you, Omniacs, look, the Omni is holding really, really well here. Let me make some room. The Omni is holding really, really well here. If you look, the last time down it held. The time before that down it held. I showed this to you on several charts at once. The Dow, the Tranny, and the Russell. And each time we got near the Omni average, it did hold. So as of Sunday night, I said, let's give the Omni a little bit of a chance to hold. And we'll see what happens. We'll put our stops in. Well, we got into the market, and here is what happened. We were completely wrong. We were stopped out. The market broke under the Omni, stopped us out, and just kept going. So, luckily, we didn't get killed too badly. The market did not hold at the Omni. It is absolutely showing me now that the market has more downside potential to the fact I was able to now go out and do a projection for where we will go in the Dow based on the move happening now that we've broken the Omni average. So absolutely incorrect, my bad for trading on Monday, traders. However, even though we lost money in this market, the Russell, check this out, it wasn't a total loss. We came up with, I think here I've got chart number 10 to show you. No, maybe it's chart 12. Yes, we got long gold, rallied it, rode the trade all the way up, got out right near the highs, and thank the Lord it made up for any money that we gave away in the Russell. And we're bullish again for gold, in gold for sure. We're bullish for trading on Tuesday. So we'll be buying the dips in gold, but thank the Lord Omni gave us enough profit in gold to make up for the stop being hit in the Russell. And that brings me to this. Now that the Russell did not hold, the Dow did not hold, the transportation average did not hold, that brings me back to the picture that says it all. Chart masterpiece. Follow me on this. The first time we dropped 3,300 points. Then we made a double top. We dropped 2,500 points. Now we're back up at this top, and so far we're down 1,467 points. Not enough compared to the other two, right? This gets even better. The first round of China tariffs, when we started putting tariffs on washing machines and all that stuff, and on steel, you know when that was? Jan 2018. Do you know what happened? This move. Boom, down 3,300. The second round of China tariffs, you know when they started? Right here. And boom, we're starting to go down. So this is absolutely the same thing that happened here. Now let me explain, and I remember doing videos about this area, what happened when we did this. We put tariffs on China, and I said to everyone, do not fall in love with the downside. Do you know why? The market simply has to absorb this new China tariff. It's a change in the marketplace. It's a change in the economy. Market needs to absorb it. It'll find equilibrium and head back up. That was 3,300 points. I am telling you, it is the same thing. We need to now absorb the brunt of knowing that we've got these China tariffs in. Last time it was a big drop. The tariffs are even bigger than the first round, so we should drop a little further. We are going to simply readjust to absorb what we just did with the second round of China tariffs, and we will stabilize and head right back up. Like it did here, like it did here, like it did here, like it will once it's finished here. With that in mind, now that we broke through my Omni average and I know it's not going to hold, we're only down 1,467 points from the top of this move to where it is now. That's not enough in compared to the other two. And my projection, technical analysis now, my projection is for 23,600 on the downside. We're at 25,360. I say we break to 23,600, or this move ends up being down 3,050 points when it's done. That is my projection. So we should drop to 2360, 23,600. From the high it made of 26,889, that high was up here, right at the top, down to where it is now, down to where we expect it to go. Should be a total of 3,050 points or close to it. We're only down 1,467 at the moment. That means even if we get up days, we got to end up down here somewhere in order for the market to reach my projection. Somewhere in here we need to go before this is over, about that low. So I think we'll get there. That is my Omni projection. I wanted to show that to you. Then there is Bitcoin. Check this out. Traders, I told you, Bitcoin, 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 baby. The Omni is just killing it lately. And it had a massive, massive rally since the Omni started calling it. So we would absolutely be looking to buy dips again once we get a nice, decent dip. But look at the moves we have seen since Omni caught since I should say crypto, or better than crypto, Bitcoin caught the attention of Omni. Since then, we've had massive movement on the upside, and Omni will continue to pay attention. Crypto fans, join me. Omni's been killing it. I will keep putting out these recommendations. And that brings me right back here to tell you, I think this picture says it all. I think now that we are looking at the same exact reaction to the one after the first round of tariffs, and we got below my Omni average, I am free to make a projection. Projection is for 23,600 on the Dow, or about 3,050 points on the downside. Let's see what's going to happen. Don't forget, we're already down 1,467 points. It's not going to take all that much to get to 3,000. The bottom of this line puts us there. The bottom of this line puts us there. So we've got downside coming, but not all that much. So don't marry the downside, but expect more of it. Join me at livewithoscar.com. Please like these videos, share them. Please absolutely make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube videos so that every time I put out a new video, you are well aware. And remember to keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to help keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Join me in my live trading room, and I will see you there.